Welcome back once again to the TechHub Guide channel. I will be guiding you step by step on how to set up this VPN called Hiba Net VPN. First, open any web browser on your device. You can use browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, whichever you prefer. Open browser, go to the search bar at the top and type SSHUDP online, then press enter to search for the official website. This is where we'll download the Hiba Net VPN application. From the search results, look for the official SSHUDP online website. It should appear among the top results. Tap on the official link to open the homepage. After the homepage loads, locate and tap on the menu icon. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top corner of the website. When the menu opens, after that, tap on Free VPN. This will take you to the VPN download section where you can find Hiba Net VPN. On the VPN page, you will see several VPN options available. Scroll through the list and locate Hiba Net VPN, then tap on it to open the download page. Now you will see the Install button. Tap on Install to begin downloading the application to your device. The download may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so please be patient and do not close the browser during this process. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. But before we proceed, let me take this moment to welcome both new and returning viewers. On this channel, we always share helpful apps that can improve your browsing experience. Now, let's open the app. When you reach the home screen of this VPN app, you will need to do a few simple settings so that the app works properly and secures your connection. First, tap on the 3 lines at the top of the screen. From the menu options, tap on Online Update. This will update the app resources and help you get the best performance. Next, tap on the network selection option. From the available options, tap on All Networks. After that, in the search bar, type UDP. From the results, select All Country UDP because it supports most countries. If it doesn't work in your country, you can choose another network from the list. Then, tap on the server selection option. You can choose a server manually that works best in your location. Finally, tap on the Start button to begin the connection. It has connected successfully.